weather, alright?
So you're with him, are you?
No, I'm not.
No? Okay.
I'm just standing there.
Alright.
Public place. I'm taking a picture of this.
You.
So if you're calling this, so.
Yeah, so
Are
I'm
you concerned about section 1?
yeah, at this point, yeah, I mean, he's saying it's 2, obviously it looks like 3 layers, you've got that, black,
Okay, this
does it make sense?
Okay, so based on what this lady said, let's section 1. Okay, what I'm saying then.
I'm just rushing to go to the mosque, that's all.
Do you know this gentleman?
He's running late. The
I
Friday
asked you
assembly
a
starting.
question, sir. Do you know this gentleman?
Alright, don't worry about it.
You don't know him?
Sorry.
Okay.
It's alright.
Did you hear what I said?
I did.
Okay. Would you like me to identify myself for the camera?
There's no need for it.
Can you please switch me? Say again? Yeah, I'll search
Yeah,
it.
it won't be me, don't worry.
It's alright, brother. You'll be okay. Don't worry.
I'll just hold on to these.
Just comply with the people. They're only trying to do their job.
It's all being recorded anyway.
It's alright, it's alright. The reason he's running because he's going to the mosque. He's running late. We're running late. That's why he's rushing.
So I've asked you if you know this gentleman.
I don't need to know. He's a Muslim, same as me.
My concerns to you at this point. If you do not know this gentleman,
Yes.
if we are to find something on him, my concern would be
I know what you mean. Yeah.
that you know him.
He's going to the mosque. He's just an average person. You can tell. He has nothing on him. I can vouch for him.
But do you understand what I'm
But listen, I fully
Yes or no,
understand.
you do.
I fully understand. It's alright, miss. You're only doing your job. It's alright. We understand. Come down. It's all wrong. Come on. Yeah, it's alright. Hello there, so you alright?
Hello. I've just explained to this gentleman.
We stopped him because he's wearing a lot of layers on. قلت له كان بزاف الحوايج انا بيحبس هنا.
بورديس.
خلي طبق معه.
لا حول ولا قوة
طبق معه. Right, you'll be okay. You'll be okay.
What's your name, sir?
It's a power bank.
Okay, for your phone.
Shabu.
S-H-A-D. S-H-A-H-M-O-O-N.
N-O-O-N?
N.
Shamoon. Mohammed, yeah?
Yeah.
What's your date of birth, mate?
11/10/1930.
Where do you live?
14 Glen Road.
Glen House?
Yeah.
Where's that?
Storage Street near the New York.
What's your postcode?
There's nothing on him, officer, has he?
Random check.
So he's all done now, is it? He can go now, is he?
I'm going to explain it to him. I don't have to explain it to
That's
you.
all right then. No, we just getting late for the Friday sermon, so we just want to be just going to go and do our business.
Yeah, I apologise for the way he
It's
sounds.
all right, it's all right, it's all right.
Well, it's a random Muslim check, yeah?
It's all right, 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 it's all right. Leave it. They're doing their job, it's all right.
You leave us to it. I'll explain to this gentleman.
I'm
He can
standing
tell
here,
you
sir. I'm standing here. I can record. I'm in public place. I can
Yeah,
record
that's
this.
fine, but you're butting in and I can't explain it to him.
I'm trying to get them to be quiet so you can do your job, sir. As a matter of fact, I'm backing you up.
Got a call from that officer. She's not the police officer.
Officer, why are you going to do that?
Excuse me, sir. Ask for the officer's name
Excuse me.
and thing. The officer that stopped you.
I'm trying to explain
It's all
it
right.
to
It's
you.
all
She's
right.
not
Yeah,
butting
yeah.
in, please. She's a police officer. She's told us that you've got here.